All right, well, the sheriff's deputies kicked me out. I'm waiting in front of the sheriff's office. I have a Foley officer on the way. We're going to see where this goes. If they don't do what's right and follow the law, then I'll go to the sheriff's office and the DA and see if maybe we can get some results that way. I have not broken any laws. I was simply audio and video recording, wanting to pay my fine. And the county clerk, who is a public official paid by Alabama tax dollars, did not want to speak to me while I was video and audio recording. This is a one-party consent state. I am that one party. I'm waiting on the Foley police officer to show up right now. I did not want to cause a big ruckus, but these people obviously don't know the law. And they want to exert their own laws. They want to make them up as they go. Now the whole neighborhood's coming in here. They're above the city cops, so maybe they know the law. Got a bunch of sheriff's deputies. How you doing?
I'm doing look. You got some ID, sir?
You don't need to see my ID.
Yes, I do.
For what?
We got a complaint about you being disorderly in the courthouse.
No, sir, I wasn't.
I need your identification, sir.
For what?
I need to identify you for being a...
state?
This is Alabama.
Yes, sir, I know.
You've been reported as being a disorderly subject, and I'm going to identify you.
Okay.
So you can provide me the identification now, and I would
Gladly,
appreciate
sir. Gladly, sir. What is your name and badge number, sir?
My name is Brad Burks, and
you're a pistol
Baldwin
expert.
County Sheriff's Office does not have badge numbers.
Oh, you don't?
No.
What's your personal ID number?
My personal ID number,
Look.
you can get it upon request by subpoena.
Okay, look, let me tell you something.
You're going to give me identification?
Yeah,
right
I'm
now.
going
I appreciate that.
I'm going to give it to you, but you're
Thank
also
you.
going to listen to me.
Well, I appreciate that.
Okay. I came in here to pay it. I don't like you standing behind me, sir.
I don't care.
I don't care either.
Good. Stand there.
I am going to stand here.
That's good.
You be quiet, I'm talking to you.
691
I'm in control here. You understand that?
Let me tell you something. I came
You
here
are
to
not
pay.
in control here.
I came to pay
Hey, listen
a
to me.
fine.
You make
A
it.
fishing without a license
Listen
fine.
to me.
I don't care.
I told the...
You're not listening.
You make any type of a disruption and you go to jail for disorderly conduct. It's not a question.
Okay.
It's a statement. I don't care that you don't like to deal with me. You
No,
are
I don't
dealing
mind
with
dealing
me.
with you.
No,
I don't mind dealing with
No,
you.
what
dealing
you're
with
doing
me.
is you're just talking
And you're
too
causing
much.
a scene.
Okay.
So listen to me. The cool stuff you've seen on YouTube and read online, it all exists. You understand what I'm saying? It all exists. You
But
have
the law
every
exists.
right to ask a question.
You're
The
right.
second you become disorderly, we will take it from there. You
Okay,
understand?
that's fine. I'm not disorderly. I'm asserting my First Amendment right.
Go ahead.
Not exactly.
No,
You're making a public disturbance.
I didn't mean to. I came in there.
You didn't mean to, but you did.
Listen
you're
to
doing
what
it
I'm
right
telling
now.
you. Listen to what I'm telling
more
you.
time.
One more
Listen,
time.
one more time.
This
You
is the last
May I
warning.
tell you something?
This
Sir.
is the last warning.
Listen to me. Lower your voice.
How you doing, sir?
Mr. D?
Yes, sir. How you
Officer
doing?
Clevenger.
Nice to meet you, sir. I called these guys. May I speak to them first before I speak to the sheriff's office?
I've already made contact with you. I'm the,
Okay,
I'm,
that's
I'm
fine.
the initial officer. And you
That's fine. Okay, that's fine.
10-4 station. All right, now, our complaint came from one of our
I
court
understand.
deputies that you
Yes,
went in
sir.
there and they told you could not video.
No,
and
they
audio.
did not.
Well,
I got it
look,
on recording.
Excuse me just a minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
I've known her a whole lot longer than I've known you.
I
She's
know.
never lied to me. So
Okay.
we're going to assume that she's told me the truth. I'm telling you what I've been told.
Okay.
Now, Mr. Duke, he says they told you couldn't video and audio in there, and that you could come in, take your hat off, and go in there and follow the courthouse rules,
I ask questions, but yes.
and that you were welcome to come in there and do that, but you did not want to abide by the established courthouse rules. And so far, are we correct on that?
Somewhat.
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 Okay. Now, your complaint is you came here to
Pay a fishing without a license.
Fishing without a
Yes.
license fine.
That I was supposed to pay 2 years ago.
Uh-huh.
I came to pay it. I was told by another public official
Uh-huh.
that I didn't have to pay it at the time to go through some other rigmarole to get it taken care of. 2 years later, this thing comes in the mail yesterday.
Uh-huh.
I want to take care of my business.
Okay.
I got kids, I got jobs, I got whatever.
Okay.
I don't like being in this capacity. I don't like this. I'm
understand.
nervous I can be. I'm outnumbered 3 to 1.
At least.
Yeah.
But
There's
anyway,
nothing I could really do. but use my voice.
Yes, and we
And
want you
my
to
cell
lower
phone.
your voice.
I know, I'm a
we
loud
don't want to
person.
take you to jail.
I know,
we don't want to.
Trust me, I don't want to go.
You know, and we don't want things to escalate to the point where you have to go.
Okay.
But you understand you dictate that, not us.
That
You understand that, correct?
bound-
Because your
good.
actions are what dictates how we react.
That's why I'm keeping
Okay.
my hands where you
Good,
can see them.
good.
That's
Now-
why I'm not making any threatening gestures.
Okay,
I'm just
now,
using my voice.
do you want to go in there and pay your fine
Yes, I
today?
do.
Okay. You will not be allowed to wear your hat. You will not
That's
be
fine.
allowed to video or audio record
That's
anything
where I have a
in there.
problem.
Well, you're not going to be allowed to do that because
What's the
the
law?
courthouse doesn't.
What's
do
the
it.
law?
It's not a law. It's a courthouse policy, sir. Yeah, policies just in all kinds of places. Just like you can't carry a gun in there. You
Well,
can't
I
carry one in the
understand
post
that,
office.
being
You
that
can't
y'all are
wear one
public
up in the
officials
bar.
and people despise you.
Yeah,
I'm
people
not one
despise
of
us.
those people.
Okay, that's fine.
I commend your job.
If you'd
if it
like,
wasn't for
listen
you,
to
I'd
me.
have to shoot people to come in my house.
Listen to me. If you would like to go in there and pay your fine, I'll be glad to accompany you in there. But you will have to abide by the rules set forth by the courthouse here. Do you understand that?
How come How come they're able to video record me?
Who is they?
Don't y'all have cameras in there?
Yeah, there are cameras in there.
Why is it okay for public officials to do it? And I'm just asking questions. Don't
This
get
is
jumpy.
this is out of safety.
That was a joke.
Sir. This is for our safety in there, for document purposes. So
Well, that's what I'm
listen
doing
to
it
me. Also, because we have a limited number of people in there, they can monitor the entire area from one place and determine what's going on. All right. Now, if you need evidence of you being in there paying your fine, you'll get a receipt signed by one of the clerks, and I suggest you maintain that. Now, if you don't want to abide by the situation that I've given you, hop in your truck and go back wherever you came from. But you will not be allowed to go in any courthouse in Baldwin County and videotape and audio tape paying the ticket.
I guess this is one of them times where the Lord wants you to be humble and you just got to suck it up and do it.
Got to follow his advice and his example. Now, you won't be able to take anything metal in there either. No pocket knives, no keys.
I took
no-
all my stuff off before I even went in there.
So do you want to go in there and handle this now?
Yes.
I'll go with you. All right, then.
You don't have
Let
to.
me park my car, and I'm going to escort you in there.
Can I
Here's
have
your
my
driver.
license
You
back?
certainly can. Let me park my car somewhere.
What is your name, sir? Sir, what is your name?
My name's Deputy Korea.
Korea?
Yep.
Spell that for me.
You can read the name tag,
No,
right?
spell it for the record, please.
Take care.
No? What are you, 20? I just
Take care.
take care.
Yeah, take care.
Okay. May I speak with you guys?
Sure, but we're going to back them up.
I know that. State law, not rules. This isn't even an ordinance. Says that this is a one consent state as far as video and audio is recording.
Yes.
Sir,
Talk yourself into going to jail.
I don't want to go to jail.
All right, let's leave your phone in your truck here, and then we'll step inside there and pay
Well, I
your
guess
fine.
that's it for now.
That's it for now.